We are the last reporters. I am Miss Mark R. Kaniagan.
I am Janel Paila.
I am Luigi Baribas. And we are talking about putting together your marketing plan. Putting together your marketing plan. A marketing plan is a roadmap that guides your business or to attract the retained customers. Putting together your marketing plan, creating a marketing plan means building a structured and organized approach to promoting your business, product, or services. It is one of the most important tools a business can have because it provides direction, focus, and clear path to success. A well-prepared marketing plan outlines your business goals, identify your target customers, and describe your how will reach them through promotion, pricing, product development, and other strategies. What is marketing plan? It includes your marketing goals, target customers, and promotion strategies, and how your measure success. Marketing plan is not just for big companies. It is for everyone who want customers and make smart decisions based on research and planning. It helps avoid guesswork, manage your resources wisely, and attract whether your efforts are effectively or not. So what goes into a marketing plan? There are several types to put in our marketing plan. First, the executive summary. Executive summary is a brief overview of entire marketing plan. Like for example, increase cookie sales by 25% in 3 months using Facebook ads. So executive guys summary, this refers a brief overview of entire plan. It highlights our goals and summarize the strategies you will use even through its the first section. It is usually written last after you've developed all of the details. Next, number 2, marketing objectives. Specific measurable goals like gain 200 new customers within 2 months. So, marketing objectives. These are the goals you want to achieve. Objectives are SMART. Using SMART like specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. This gives your team and clear targets and allows to track progress over time. That's all. And next reporter.
I am the second reporter. The topic is about target market. The target market is this insurance identifies who your ideal customer are. You describe their age, interest, buying habit, location and needs. Understanding your target market help you create messages and product that appeal directly to them. And the example is the young adult aged 20 to 32 shop online. The second is number 4 is market research. Market research is where you include your thinking about the market. This could be a customer trend, demand, level, and competitors analysis. Knowing what others are doing and what customers want give you a competitive edge. Example, demand for affordable homemade dessert is growing. Then the 5 is marketing strategies. The marketing strategies is this is the section you describe how you will promote and sell your product using the product place, promotion. If you're offering a service, you will also use the adding people and physical evidence. So the number 6 is extended marketing mix. Here are the people, staff, process, how it delivered, physical evidence from quality, like then review and packaging. So here are the benefits of extended marketing mix. The benefit is more comprehensive marketing strategy. The second is better customer experience. Then third is increased competitiveness.
Budget. A budget can be defined as a comprehensive financial plan that outlines anticipated income, expenses, and resources allocation with specific time frame. Example: 1,500 for ads and 1,000 for packaging. Number 8, action plan and timeline. An action plan is a document that outlines that the specific steps and things needed to achieve or end goal or complete a project. A timeline is a schedule that maps out when those should be completed. Example: 1 week plans FB page, 2 weeks start ads. Number 9, evaluation and control. In the context of strategic management refers to the process of assessing how well a strategy is achieving its intended objective and making necessary adjustment to ensure its effectiveness and adaptability. Full market plan overview. Products focus, target teens and young adults. Promotion, free samples or FB ads. Budget 3,000, goals 500 bucks sold.